Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way of remembering Pythagoras' theorem. So in textbooks, you might have seen this complicated formula. So you might see a triangle, a right angle triangle, because Pythagoras only works with right angle triangles, and you might see it labeled A, B, and C with the formula next to it: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, now this formula, a and b are the shorter sides and c is always the long side. Okay, and how do you know where the long side is? The long side is always opposite the right angle. So long side is always opposite the right angle. Okay, so let's say you have a triangle like this, the right angles here, the long side would be this one. Okay, so that's Pythagoras. Now there is an easy way to do it. When you understand the formula, um, these questions are a lot easier. So for example, this is the rule I use. So if I'm trying to work out a long side, yeah, so if I'm trying to work out C, the long side, I add the two shorter sides squared. So the first short side, let's say A, I square it, and then I add the second short side, square it, and then to get my answer, I find the square root. Okay, and for a short side, I do the same thing, but instead of adding, I subtract. Okay, so let me give you an example. So let's say I've got this question over here, 4, 8. Okay, and I'm trying to find this. So in my head, I say to myself, am I trying to find a long side or a short side? So opposite the right angle, that's the long side, is missing. So in my head, I know I'm trying to find a long side. So I'm going to add. So I'm going to do 8 squared plus 4 squared. Get my answer. So I get 64 plus 16, which gives me 64, 74, 80. Okay, now to get C, the short side, all I need to do, square root 80 and get my answer. Okay, so guys, if you've got a calculator, do that. If you haven't, you can leave your answer like that. Okay, root 80. All right, so let's try another one. So let's try, let's say this one's missing now. So this one's 4 and this one's 5. Okay, so now I know I've got the long side. I'm trying to work out a short side, so I'm going to take away. So I'm going to get the long side squared, so 5 squared, take away one of the short side squared, the one that I got, so 4 squared. Okay, so that gives me 25 minus 16, which is 9. So A will be the square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, 3 centimeters if this is in centimeters. Okay, let's do another example. So let's say I have this triangle. Okay, now let's say this one's 10, this one's 5, and I'm trying to work out this missing one. Now opposite the triangle, that's the first thing I do, check if I've got that side or not. Okay, so yes, so this side, this where this 10 is the long side. So I'm trying to work out a short side, so I have to subtract. So I get the long side, square it, subtract the short side that I've got. So 10 squared is 100, take away 25 gives me 75. Then the side that I've got that I need to work out, all I need to do, square root of 75 to get my answer. Okay, so I haven't got a calculator, guys, so I leave my answer like this. If you have got a calculator and it's a calculator paper, put this into your calculator and then write your answer as a decimal. Okay, guys, so I hope that helps you with Pythagoras.